I'm free! Where's the dragon?
I'm free!
It's Dragon!
I should walk out of the room right now. But I've been up and running all day and I really don't feel like getting up right now. So just pretend I just got up and walked out the door. What's up guys, Jerry, welcome back to another video. So in another Thomas YTP, this is, I think it's an All Engines Go one, so it's called YTP, Looney Trains Chase a Worthless Dragon. So it's uploaded by Morris T. Satcher, and the original video is in the description below, so be sure to subscribe and check them out. And now, let's waste no more time and get right into it.
Dragon?
Okay.
Whoa!
Where's she gonna go? What in the world? Alrighty then.
Look!
Help! I'm not going to open my eyes until my...
Did they really bring the Chinese dragon back into this? But perfect opportunity to have a Thomas Person dragon joke, so it works.
My driver comes.
Thomas, the blue Thomas has tamed the
Yeah,
mighty
he did it
Thomas.
again.
Where are you taking it, Thomas?
I don't know.
Memes.
Do they know where they're taking anything in this show?
To deliver says, but you can think my butt.
What did I just watch? This damn joke again with the spin me right round. I get it. But what the hell did I just witness?
The green natives. The green natives.
Okay. He's multiplying. The only thing scarier than one All Engines Go Thomas is multiple All Engines Go Thomases.
Sauce. The blue knight still has
Sauce.
the dragon.
Station joke.
I'm free! Where's the dragon?
I'm free!
It's Dragon!
I should walk out of the room right now. But I've been up and running all day and I really don't feel like getting up right now. So just pretend I just got up and walked out the door.
Run away, dragon! Run away from the dragon! It's my Josh, not if your
Josh.
knight can help it.
Oh no, they're gonna call them those trains again? Well,
It's been a long
that happened.
day
Yeah, rest in peace. Those trains, as they refer them to.
without you, my friend.
Look out, Percy,
Prayer.
or the dragon may gobble you up.
What the hell's wrong with you?
Wait, there's a...
Look out, James, or
Okay.
the dragon may gobble you up.
Much thanks. Come on. I, the guard, must hunt the dragon.
Can you stop doing this? No.
I think I got my twisted tracks to taking turns.
Wait,
Like
what?
true knights of the turntable. Hear ye, please
Kill them all, Spencer.
You know what? It's getting old.
It's okay.
Come on!
My ear! You almost made it through the whole video without an ear rape. Alright, so there you go. You guys know the drill. Comment your favorite part below. We'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, turn notification bell on. Free ship, upload to the Discord. Links those are in the description below. Become a member by clicking the join button. Check out all the exclusive perks. And we'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Stay safe. Everybody, have a good one.